Hello, YouTube. This is Jerry D in Tennessee. Let's talk about some stocks. One of my favorite, Blue Spear Corporation. It finished up the week uh, 12.8 at point. Hold on, let's get back up here. 0.0047, which is 4,600%. Okay, from where it had been. Here about a month ago, back in November, we were around 0.0001, which is a thousandth of a percent, and 0.0002 is 2,000ths of a percent. And now we're up to just under half a cent. So, say you put $400 at 0.002. Okay, 0.0002, 0.0002, 3 zeros. $400, 2 million shares, and you sold at around 0.003, you would have about $8,000. Don't believe me? Do the math and try it. That's why a lot of people like to trade in these penny stocks. It's not, you just got to be in the right stock at the right time. Blue Spear is a green energy stock, so I expect this stock to go on up. The Democrats are looks like they're going to be in power at the nation's capital. So a lot of them are for the green energy and helping save the environment. And this is taking waste. This company's taking waste. Again, here's their Blue Spears Corporation is an international independent power producer that is globally active in clean energy production and waste production or waste to energy markets. Blue Spear is becoming a key player in these rapidly growing markets. I can't even talk tonight. By developing or acquiring projects with the clean energy technologies, including but not limited to waste to energy facilities that generate clean energy, such as electricity, natural gas, heat, compost, and other byproducts. These markets provide tremendous opportunity insofar as there is a virtually endless supply of waste and organic material that can be used to generate power and valuable byproducts. So this is a great idea. And they've been around. I saw on a post, one of the stock forums, that they've been around for about 30 years anyway. So they've got, here's the website, bluespearcorporate.com. So the closest facility to me is Charlotte, North Carolina. They have a facility in the Netherlands, Sturksel, I believe it's right. Johnson, Rhode Island. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in Italy. So they're doing biodiesel in Italy. They're growing lemongrass. So I hate to say, I'd have to look it up, and I'm not going to do that while I'm filming this video. But anyway, they're doing biodiesel over in Italy. So I look for this stock to go up. It may not go up to $10, $20 a share, but I'm thinking it's going to go about a dime a share. And right now it's like just under a half a cent. It was holding strong at the end of the day. Friday, it closed at 0.0036. So I'm thinking with you've got electric cars and people's focused on clean energy, this stock's going to do well. I really think it will. But that's my opinion. I'm not a stock advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just something I'm interested in for entertainment and educational purposes. But I really do believe in this stock, and this stock is, like I said, this past month it's jumped. So people, it's this in somebody's under somebody's radar. Now this stock also, they had a contract. They were supposed to start selling methane gas from animal waste. They had a contract with a utility. Supposed to start in December, I think is what it was. That's what I had read. So I'm sure there's fixing to be news about that release. They're a little slow about news. One of their downfalls is they're a little slow about releasing their filings. They're late on their filings, so they have a stop sign. So hopefully they'll get all that caught up before long, and they'll release some, do a press release about this contract with the methane gas, and hopefully this stock will go on up above the penny, and maybe I'm hoping 10 cents. Now, if you look back, let's look back. Go back a month, 3 months, 6 months, 2 years. Go back 2 years, and right back here, let's go back 5 years. Let's go back 5 years. That looks better. This is $9.17. I can't even talk. Sorry. I apologize for that. $9.73. Yeah, 10.92 was the high. You go back here, 10.80 is the low. So they were up in the $10 range. And before that, if you go on back, this stock used to be high dollar stock when they first got in the stock market. This is back, I guess it goes back to 2010. But when they first opened on the stock market, they jumped over $1,000. It's $1,600 a share. Now, do I think it's going to get up that high? It's going to take, if it ever gets back up to $1,600 a share, it's going to take a while. I don't think it's going to be like, a month from now, it's $1,600. No, it's not going to get up, because that's 2010. Yeah, 3/15/2010. So that's 20 years ago. And this company's been around for 30 years. Or no, that's 10 years ago. I'm sorry. You got to excuse me. I'm from Tennessee. I can't do math, especially not late night. But anyway, 3/15/2010, 20 years ago. So 20 years ago, $1,600 a share. I think it's got potential for it to go back up. Okay, is it going to hit $100 a share? I'm thinking you're more likely to see a dime a share. It might get up higher as the year progresses. Like I said, the focus is green energy, clean energy. So as this gets attention of the public eye, it may jump on up higher in price. I hope it does. I really do. I think it's going to at least get it could get to a dime this, in the next 6 months. That's my guess, because it's already like from sub pennies, like 0.02 of a cent to almost it jumped up to just under a half a cent the other day. So time will tell. I'm going to keep watching this stock. I'm in this stock long, so I've been in the stock. I got in at 0.0002, 0.0002 of a penny, and now it's up. It's up. Let's go back to a day. That's just kind of weird. How did I do that? I did that. That's what I did. Let's go back out. Let's go back to 5 days. Go back to 1 day. 5 days. I was probably on 5 days anyway. Anyway, the way this web interface changes gets me. Anyway, so I think 165. Yeah, the high was 0.065. Close was 0.065 on 1/8. So some reason I just don't like the trust of this Yahoo Finance. Anyway. Oh, the previous day, sorry. 1/7. That's what it's trying to tell me. It's crazy. It depends on where you're at in the graph. So, but anyway, the moral of the story, the stock is up. Okay, if you go back to 5 days, the stock has been creeping up past month. It's been a little choppy right in here, and then it gets back up, and it's starting a steady climb. As you can see, it's a steady climb up, and it went down a little bit Friday. So I think this stock will do well. I'm excited about this stock. You could probably tell because I've done several videos about this company. But there it is, Blue Spear. Look them up. They do have a stop sign because they have not been on time on reporting their filings, so they're getting dinged for that. So, but there's the website. It lists all their locations where their factories are at, their utility plants are at. So I think this is something for the long haul. I think it's going to go on up because it is a green energy stock, and that's what the focus is for a lot of people that's in the stock market. It'll be green energy, EV vehicles, anything to help the environment. Right now is probably a good thing to get into. Okay, let's move on to another stock. I've been rambling on for a while for Blue Spear. Again, I like that stock. Anyway, LM Funding America. So they were around under $1. Okay, 73, 74 cents. And then Friday, they went up. They spiked over, it's like 197% for the day, in the afternoon. And it's because they released, they had listed their filings. They've released their filings, and they got them in the public's attention, the stock traders' attention, and people started buying in because they're doing well. All right, so the next one, Applied DNA Services. This is another biotech stock. Okay, they were started out around $5, $5.70. They spiked right here. Highest 10.37. They got up at almost 10.99. Then they go on up 12.11. And they released news that their testing kit, is only it's one of only two EUA authorized tests able to detect S gene mutations found in SARS-CoV variant in this COVID-19. This is a testing kit to see if you got COVID. And this is one of two kits that will tell people or tell the doctors that you've got one of the variants. It's detecting the variant as well as the original COVID-19. So it's been all in the news about the virus has mutated. So there's some variants of this virus, and this kit is better able to detect the mutation. So thank you for checking out my channel. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a stock advisor. This is just something that I like to mess around with. I'm interested with stocks, interested in trading stocks, and I do trade stocks. I suggest if you're interested in trading these stocks, I'm not telling you to buy into the stocks, but if you're interested, do your own research, trade informed, trade smart, look at the price actions. Again, I keep bringing this up. Volume weighted average, the MACD, RSI, those three indicators, if they're curving up, the price action's going up on the stock. You look at the volume that's going through, and if look at L2, if you have access to L2. If you can buy into access to L2, I'd suggest you do that, because that will show you the sales as are going through at the time, live sales. And that will give you an idea of how the price is going on the stock. That's what feeds the charts. If you go look at the chart, the price charts. So, again, thank you for visiting my channel. Look forward to having you back. Look at another video as I come out with more videos. If you like the video, I suggest that you smash the like button. And I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be coming out with more videos. I keep finding these spikes, and the more I trade, the more I find, the more videos I come out with. So, all right, I hope everybody's had a good weekend. I hope this next week is a good week for you, and hope you all have a good night. Thank you. Hey, thanks for coming by. Glad you checked out the video. Hope you liked it. If you like it, please click on the like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.